Ngami Doma Juksuni Ani Taluk Ngam Zindike Bai Nga New York Tonge Lade. Nepala Kyaga Nele Yore Ani Negi Ama Nepal Ne Anga Yini La Logic Tang Tawasum Nanzi YindaYin La Tei Da Angzi Da Inji Da Gay Lapki Yore Tingsang Anzu Luku Chong Chong Korgi Tung Tung Logie Dumdi Badine Badin Luku Chik Tong So Tini Mitangma La Kechi Chidit Odi Kirongi Luku Le Luku Mare. For English, we're learning how to write persuasive and argumentative essays. Miss Jimila helps us organize our paragraphs and make sure that we have the best evidence, the best explanation, and helps us put it in a good structure. Right now, we're going over the state test stuff so we can prepared for that. We have to read a book every week and write in a response to it, and we have entries with different prompts. And also we're reading this His Holiness the Dalai Lama book about his life. And then for math, we learn a bunch of things that we don't usually learn during class. For my math class in 7th grade, I didn't really understand some of the concepts in the curriculum. So now in YindaYin, I asked Deshila and he helps me out so I can understand the curriculum correctly, fully. And then for Chinese, at first I didn't know any of the flashcards. I didn't know how to say the fruits, animals, or anything, and now I know most of them. So for example, an owl is Mao Yin. Yeah, I know how to say my name is Tenzing. Tenzing Doma. I know more stuff than I did before, and I feel my Tibetan and math and English has improved by a lot. I feel YindaYin has helped prepare my math higher than my grade level. So if I know next year that I know some SAT stuff right now because of Deshila, so next year I guess it won't be as hard. Being kind and not being selfish, because all the teachers Dashi always tells us that we're not competing with each other, and that we're always competing with ourselves, and there's no competition. The reason why we go to school is to try to make ourselves better for ourselves, and that we shouldn't downgrade ourselves if we're not doing good, if we're messing up. Everyone makes mistakes, and if you make mistakes, then that leads to success because then you learn from your mistakes.